Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Wednesday. Well, welcome to my Watertown Memory Wednesday. And today, I don't know if I can get it close enough, but we're going to be working on the other end of this porch right in there. Yeah, and the color is 3031. It's kind of an olive brownish greenish. Yeah, so it's just part of the structure. I thought maybe that would be a little bit easier to work on. Let's see if we can get you where we need to be. All right. Oh, my goodness. How is everybody doing? I am so happy that it is my Friday. You just have no idea. Just been kind of a slow week. Yeah. So we'll see if it continues for the rest of the week. And the weather's been fine. I mean, it's been in the 40s and 50s, so that was kind of good. Yesterday was just cloudy all day long. I don't know what was up with that, but it never... No precipitation, if I could just talk. Oh my goodness. Yeah. So I didn't even look ahead to see what the weather was supposed to be like this weekend. So, yeah, we'll see. How's everybody doing? Did you get to do something fun today? It's important. Did you stitch on something fun or go anywhere exciting? I don't know what the weather's like, you know, every place else. Just what is going on? Just here, you know. So, and it wouldn't hurt my feelings if it was nice and cold again, so I can stay in and stitch. Because, you know, that's what I love to do. I worked on the rabbit. I was trying to finish out a thread. And I worked a little bit on the fruit basket, but nothing too exciting. By the time I got home, I was just pooped. From just really not doing a whole bunch of anything. It was just that slow, and they had the main, we'll call it like I-70. I don't know if you know what that is, but it's the big, like if you come out of Denver, it would go right straight across the state, you know, from end to end, so to speak. But they had that part of that closed, so I don't know what the detour was, but I don't know, not a lot of people coming through, and the people that were coming through, they just stopped for fuel and went on. So I had one guy, he showed up and says, "I'm lost," and I'm like, oh God, here we go. You know, so I had to redirect him on how to get back to that I-70. He was trying to come from the other side, so to speak. So, oh geez, yeah, that was about as exciting as it got, guys. What can I say? So yeah, no grand plans for this week. I haven't really talked too much with my daughter. Thought I'd get some of those that were... Thought there was some more of this somewhere. I saw it, honest to goodness. Because I got a little bit of thread here. So, yeah. So I don't even know if I'll get to the big thrift store this weekend. Whoops, my bad. I get my finger out of the camera there. So, yeah, nothing just nothing. But there is something. I did have a viewer send me a picture, and I'll put that right in here. Thank you, Rebecca. It's beautiful. She finished. She has a finish, so we'll ring the bells on that mountains and pavilion that Jill and I both have. So, yay! It's just absolutely a stunning cross stitch. I call it mountains and pavilions. I have no idea what the stores call it, but it's that one with the several tones of blue in the mountains. It's just gorgeous. I should get that out. It's there somewhere. That's about all I can say. Let's get rid of this needle before I do run out of thread here. It's just, I just love that one, and I don't stitch on it enough. Maybe I'll pull that out, and we'll have a stitch with me sometime this week or next. But I will get it out. I'll have to look for it. It's over there somewhere. I know that much. But thank you, Jill, for... Jill. Oh, my goodness. Rebecca. Holy cow. So sorry. For sending that beautiful picture. Now we know what it's going to look like. Yeah. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. But I knew that from that first mountain. It's just stunning. Great job. So if anybody else has any projects they'd like to share that you're working on, it does not have to just be cross-stitch. We want to see it all, because we are enabled just quicker than quicker. So, and maybe I'll pull this or the ladies out this week to work on. This color is about 2 shades off of 3371, so it's being used as part of the framework of that porch. I think it's a porch. I call it a porch. There's chairs on it, and then there's like what do you call that? That you put, like you have a porch, but you want to cover the underneath area. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Words are hard this week. Yeah. It's got one of those at the bottom, because you can see the ladies. Oops, sorry. You can see the ladies here, and then there's like this railing affair in front of them, and then this is like the bottom going into the so-called grass, if you will. Yeah. Come on, thread. I don't think there's any more there. Like I said, there's probably 50 symbols just jumbled on top of each other. So I pick one color and we'll work through it. That's about... I need to undo that. Had that holding that so I wouldn't have to hold so much. There's some more, right? But there's also another symbol, and it's just like a straight line. Serious people, come on, get creative. Let's have some different symbols here. Kind of drives you nuts. So, yeah. But other than that, I'm just kind of ready for this work week to be over with. Just had enough. Sat and listened to my audiobook at work for about 80% of that time. It was a little busy when I got there, but Nothing too carried away that two people seriously could not handle. So not a lot of people roaming around. Of course, there's not too much snow around. There's none here. I don't know about at the ski resort, so I don't know what they're doing. We don't hear too much news about all that. But that would be about the only thing that would drive people to be here and there. As if they got some new snow somewhere. But you don't see many people out and about during the week. You know, because it's a work week for most people that would, say, work in an office or that kind of place. So, yeah. We don't have that here. Oh, they have offices, and most of the places that are businesses here, they're open on Saturday as well. So, you know, that ruins that theory. But if you work for a bank, it's a little bit different. Some of the branches are open, you know, on a Saturday for like half a day or something like that, but nothing too terribly exciting. And the bank I use, they're not even open on Saturday. They're just open Monday through Friday. So, I thought that was a little bit different. Missed a stitch right there. Gots to go back and get it. Trying to stay in frame here, but it's kind of helter-skelter today. So sorry. We'll pick a better symbol next time. Oh my goodness, we're almost across there. Filling in another line. One line at a time. This thing, do not get too excited. I am telling you. In fact, next time I may even go to another section and work on something else completely different than this porch we've been at for, it seems like, years. I think that is all that it's going to get. I'll show you this when let me just get that out of our freeway. Whoops. Don't fall off. Let me get you down here. So you can see, well, get the needle. Oh, that's exciting. And put that needle somewhere where I know it's at. But you can see what I was talking about. So here's the ladies, and they're in the room that's back here, but here's that top railing. And then you kind of got a thing that closes everything off along the bottom, and it just runs right here until it hits that part. So, yeah. It's a thing. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, thanks for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.